Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook chicken afritada. You're seeing familiar ingredients for all tomato-based Spanish Filipino dish. Measurement depends on how much chicken you're going to use. Let's start with heating enough oil to fry the potatoes and the carrots. When veggies are half cooked, red hot dogs are preferred. If you're in Philippines, it's easy to find one. But if you cannot find it and you're overseas, you may use sausages or franks.
Yung patatas, yung gitna. Yung patatas, hindi pa luto yung gitna. Pero medyo nag-brown.
After it's cooked, you may set it aside. Using the same pan, start sauteing the onions. After onions have softened, you may now add the garlic. Saute the minced garlic and chopped onions together.
Sa dami ng bawang na yan, nagmukhang konti.
Be careful not to let the garlic burn.
Bago pa masunog.
Next, add the chicken. Saute the chicken parts until chicken is cooked. If you want a more tasty chicken, you can marinate this chicken meat in half cup of soy sauce and 1 lime or 2 pieces calamansi juice before you saute them. For this recipe, I did not marinate the chicken because I am already using a chicken cube. It's a chicken flavor cube. I melt the chicken cube while sauteing the chicken so that the flavor will be absorbed by the meat. Continue stirring the chicken, sauteing the chicken until its color changes. You will notice that the chicken will no longer be pink in color. Add a little water to avoid from drying up, and then add bay leaves. Cover and let boil. After boiling, add the tomato sauce and continue simmering. Before stirring, add the green peas and the bell peppers.
Kunin mo na yung mga gulay na niluto natin kanina.
Stir well, then add the pre-cooked ingredients.
Medyo luto naman na yung chicken. Lagyan mo muna ng asin. Ay, hindi, papakulo ang papalay.
Mix well, cover, and boil again. After boiling, if the soup has dried up, add a little water and boil again.
Okay. Ay, enough.
By this time, the chicken meat will be tender and cooked. Season with salt and pepper to taste. While mixing it, you continue to taste and adjust the seasoning according to your taste. And then mix again and continue simmering. One last boil and you can now switch off the heat.